Are you reading news that's already made up its mind? Every day, millions of people consume news without realizing the extent of the bias built into it. Bias in the source, bias in the author, and sometimes even just in the wording of a single headline. But what if you could actually see that bias? With Biasley's advanced bias meter, powered by AI and human research, now you can. Biasley detects political leanings within articles, authors, and outlets, analyzing tone, language, references, and factual balance. Now you can choose to read news that matches your preference or challenge it. Compare how your favorite sources stack up across the industry. Track the bias rating, reliability, and even shifts in sentiment over time. Whether you're a journalist, educator, politician, newsroom leader, or simply someone who wants the truth, Biasley helps you stay informed, not influenced. Let's build a world with stronger media literacy and smarter news habits. Unbias your news with Biasley.